Making the most out of your LinkedIn profile page is important. The popular social media platform offers multiple helpful features, one of which is the Audible name pronunciation tool. This is BotSplash TV, where I'll be going over the steps to set this feature up on your LinkedIn profile page. Hi, I'm Willem Osich, and with a name like Willem, people often mispronounce my name as William. Even on LinkedIn posts and on emails, people will still type William. So mispronunciations are commonplace, but there are ways to show people of how to properly pronounce your name correctly. On your mobile LinkedIn app, click on the Me icon at the top of your page. After that, you'll see View Profile, and then hit the pencil icon Edit, where a pop-up window will appear. After you've filled in your first, last, and additional name information, you'll see the name pronunciation feature. Once you click on Add Name Pronunciation, that will activate your phone's microphone. Then you will simply hold to record, where you'll have a 10-second window to record the way your name is properly pronounced. So try out this feature and let me know how it works out in the comments. I'm Willem Osich. Thanks for watching.